back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a plastic bottle doll. It's very easy and simple, so you can make it at home. So let's get started. We'll need hot glue, a black marker, scissors, flower decoration, Fevicol, paint, white ball. I'm using a white ball. If you want, you can use any color ball. White is easier to paint on. Plastic bottle, paint brushes, and beads. So let's get started. So first take the ball and stick it on the bottle with hot glue. Ask an adult to help this time. If you don't have hot glue, you can use E6000. Fevicol can't do the job to hold that. This is really easy. It should look something like that. Keep it aside for now. Now, take a white A4 sheet. We will use this for the gown. Mark how much we will need. With the marker, mark how much we are going to need. While rolling it, and see how much it ends and mark it right there. Cut it, ask an adult to help. This is really easy and you can do it when you're bored, in your free time, if you want to do some creativity stuff. It's very easy and simple. You can do it whenever you want. Now take it. Guys, I'm sorry for the camera angle. Now you have to glue it on the plastic bottle, leaving half of it. That's going to be the shirt and this is going to be the gown. I'm making a bride. We can leave extra fabric to extra paper to make it look like the dress is long. If you don't like doing that, so you can cut out the excess. If you don't have Fevicol, you can use Fevistick or hot glue. It'll do the job. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to do this more, comment down below. Now I'm painting the top of it white. I told you I'm making a bride, that's why I'm turning it into white. But if you want, you can use any other color like blue, pink, purple, any bold, bright colors. Guys, if you want to make a bride but you don't have white paint, so you can use a white paper and cover the top with it as well. It's very nice and you have to do some couple coats to get full coverage. Mostly with the white because white is really light. Guys, if you want me to do this more and more, if you want me to do more dolls like this, comment down below and give this video a like. Now I'm painting the face with peach color. If you don't have peach color, you can mix orange and white together. It's totally covered now. Now I'm going to take some black paint and paint the hair. I'm making long hair. You can make short hair, make ponies, do designs, whatever you want. I bet it will look really good. I'm painting in black. I'm painting the hair black. You can experiment with colors and use different colors. I'm going with the basic black hair. You can use brown or yellow. Add pink in the yellow stripes, like the Barbie's hair. It'll look all good, whichever color you do the hair. And if you don't have black paint, you can definitely stick to brown. So, yeah. I'm doing some more coats to get full opaque. You also have to do some coats to get full coverage. It'll dry quickly, so don't worry. It'll dry in half an hour. This is super duper easy. You can do it with no one's help. You can do it all alone. Now I'm adding some rosy cheeks with pink. I'll tell you how to blend. So first we take pink and overlap it with peach and then just gently tap it. So I have added the hair design like this. In this form, you can do something else. I have added the eyes like this. You can make them open. I added lips and now we'll decorate it. I'm taking the beads and just sticking it around the waist and the neck. Now I'm going to take a flower, take Fevicol and glue it in the middle. This is super duper creative, and you can make and that's it for today. See you all next time. Bye guys. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell as well.